Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FanDuel with a VPN. As you probably know, FanDuel isn't available everywhere in the world. It's restricted in some US states. If you are in one of those states and want to access FanDuel, you'll need to use a VPN to make it look like you are in a location where it's available, like New York, for example. A VPN hides your real IP address and makes it appear as if you're browsing from another location. So if you connect to a VPN server in New York, every website or app you use will think you're in that state because you'll be using an IP address from New York. If you don't have a VPN yet, I suggest watching my video on the best VPNs for 2025. A link is showing in the top right corner of this video. If you don't have time to watch another video, here is a quick summary. In my opinion, the best VPN for FanDuel is ExpressVPN. I really like ExpressVPN because they have servers all over the world and it's very effective for accessing FanDuel from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 61% discount and 4 months free. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means you can sign up, use the service for several weeks with no limits, and then request a refund. If ExpressVPN isn't right for you, for any reason, you can go with NordVPN instead. I also really like NordVPN because it has a large number of servers worldwide, and it's also very effective for accessing FanDuel from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 70% discount and 1 GB of free eSIM data. Use the code VCLUB to get an extra 3 months. Just like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial with a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. So, how do you use FanDuel with a VPN? If you are in a location where FanDuel is restricted, all you need to do is launch your VPN and connect to a server in a state where it is available. Earlier, I mentioned New York, but there are plenty of other states where the platform works. Just connect to a VPN server in the location of your choice. Just make sure FanDuel is accessible there. Let's connect to a VPN server in New York. I click on New York, then here, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from New York. My real IP address has been replaced by the VPN's IP address, which is based in New York. As you can see here, my IP address now shows I'm in New York. Now, simply open your web browser and go to the FanDuel website. You should be able to log into your account or create one if you don't already have one. And that's it. That's how you can use FanDuel with a VPN. ExpressVPN will bring you many other benefits, such as browsing and downloading privately, improving the security of your internet connection, accessing more content, avoiding speed limitations, bypassing censorship, saving money, and much more. Don't bother with free VPNs. They often come with slow speeds, limited server options, annoying ads, and questionable privacy policies. In some cases, they may even log and sell your data. It's better to take advantage of the trial offered by ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to use FanDuel with a VPN. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.